Makomishona a komishoni ya kuhuranira ihoto na wiganania wa arume na atumia makiaria rita rĩa mbere kuma mehitithio muthia-inĩ wa mwaka muhituku ni matetetie kwongerereka gwa ciiko cia atumia na airĩtu kugerwo ngero o hamwe na mbara cia kĩmũciĩ.
Disturbed as Chair National Gender and Equality Commission that only yesterday 6 convicts escaped from Wendani police station, and the 6 convicts were convicted basically around gender-based violence, issues of rape, issues of domestic violence. Again, just last year, we lost a convict who was arrested for the murder of 20 women in Kawangware.
Riu makomishona aya marenda honge cia gukinyaniria mawatho ihanyukia gukinyaniria mawatho ma kuhurana na ngero icio.
We must strengthen our legal framework. I am greatly disturbed as Chair National Gender and Equality Commission.
Oho ni moretie muingi guthomithio iguru ri ciiko ici na muno makiria athuri na atumia aria mahutitio ni thina uyu.
As the chairperson has just said, new strategies on how to change the mindset, and particularly for the men, between the ages from our statement of 35 to 60.
Riu ona thirikari cia county ni cihinyiriirio kunyita itemi mihango-ini ya kuhukia mbara ici.
Finally, we are seeking for collaboration. There are so many state actors and non-state actors operating within this space of gender agenda. And I feel like the agenda is disappearing because everybody expects so and so will handle the agenda. Therefore, we are seeking for collaboration so that the agenda then gets the attention it requires.
Maya maroka riri gikundi kia Odipodev na African Censored ciatariirie ati hari miaka 9 mihituku mwaka muhituku niguo ngero cia atumia na airĩtu kũragwo cieheririe kuria atumia 170 moragirwo ni andu a hakuhi nao na andu moi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, nie njitagwo Mbaara wa Mũirũrĩ.